Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, introduce my name is Sahila, SHR manager and my partner.
Hi, I'm Kesha as a job applicant in the field of UI UX designer.
Okay, let's get started. Good morning. Thank you for coming for the interview today. Before we begin, and you tell us a little about yourself.
Good morning. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. My name is Kesha Delva Muharam. I have a background in graphic design and UI UX. I have worked on several application and website design projects, and I am very interested in developing my experience in the field of interactive design and user-centered design.
Very interesting. Can you tell us more about your experience in UI UX design? What are some of the projects you have worked on?
Of course, in my last job, I worked as a UI UX designer where I was involved in the redesign of a mobile application for a client in the e-commerce industry. I work from user research, wireframe and prototype creation to usability testing. One significant project was designing the interface for the checkout feature, which increased user conversion by 20%.
That a great assessment in the design process. How do you identify and understand user need?
I usually start by conducting user research such as interview, survey, and observation. Then I conduct data analysis to find out the problem faced by user. I also create user personas to help the team and me understand the audience better. After that, I process with wireframe and prototype design, which are tested with users to get direct feedback.
That great. Speaking of prototyping, what design tool do you use most often and why?
I mostly use Figma for interface design and interactive prototyping. Figma allows for excellent collaboration between the design team and developers for certain tasks. I also use Adobe XD and Sketch depending on the needs of the projects. I like Figma because it is user-friendly and allows responsive design with easy.
Figma is indeed very popular. How do you overcome challenge of obstacles when working with the development team?
Good communication is very important. I always try to explain design decision clearly, either through documentation or presentation. I am also open to feedback and ready to work together to find solution if there are technical problems. Effective collaboration between the design team and developers will result in a better product.
Teamwork is very important. On the other hand, how do you measure the success of your design once the app or site is launched?
I usually look at metrics such as user retention, conversion rate, and user feedback after the release. In addition, I also rely on A/B test results to evaluate whether design change have a positive impact on user experience. Post-launch usability testing is also very important to identify issues that may not have been seen before.
Okay, thank you very much for your very detailed explanation. One last question. What makes you interested in joining our company?
I was very impressed with the company's mission to prioritize innovation and provide the best user experience. I feel that the company vision and value are in line with what I am looking for in a job. In addition, the opportunity to work with a talented team and be involved in projects that have a big impact really motivate me.
Okay, hearing you to good and explanation. We will contact you on the selection process incomplete.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. I really look forward to joining the team and contributing to challenging projects.
Fretty or less apology. Thank you.
Dadah, Assalamualaikum.